Good morning. So today we have Marie with us. She's been losing a nice amount of weight with our MIC-B12 injections. How have you been feeling so far?
Bad, good.
Good. She's been feeling good. She's been feeling better, and that's a great thing. Today she's gonna be experiencing our CBD drip, and we'll do it before to see how she's feeling now, and then we'll do it after. Probably looking
CBD.
so sick.
Armored is here.
Okay. I gotta set him up in there.
The CBD drip is helping with chronic pain, back pains. Is what Marie is facing. A lot of driving, a lot of standing. So this CBD is going to be functioning her back pain, helping relieve any tensions, any tightness, stiffness, and we want to make her all better.
One shot.
One shot. Look at that. And then we're gonna
That's
connect
good.
the CBD to
It's coming.
right to the end, and then we'll be flowing with pure CBD. This right here is 100% CBD. There's no THC. There's
No,
no
none of that.
preservatives. There's none of that.
None of
Everything.
the psychoactive property.
Right. This right here is strictly for this type of IV. And as you all know, here at the Wellness Corner in J, we make everything pertaining to the client needs.
Oh, you don't have to do
Mhm.
the cover, but you don't have
That's it. That's all. So now Miss Maria will be sitting back, relaxing, feast up. She's gonna be taking her little nap while she get her IV, and then we'll come back with part two, so she know that how everything went, how she's feeling, and then we hope that everybody will be getting the CBD drip as well.